Somebody talks of power factor, you know what he's talking about. I told you the other day. In Ghana, when you pick an engineer and an apprentice, the apprentice can do more than the engineer.
Yes.
But the engineer has grammar that the electrician does not understand.
Yeah.
That is what the difference is. So you get intimidated. What I've explained to you right now, if you truly understood it, okay, it's the same thing the engineer knows. He knows power factor. He knows power factor is talking about, how do you call it, apparent power, active power, and reactive power. And then he knows that, okay, the apparent power is the total power that the house or the appliance will use. He knows active power is the actual power that the appliance is using. The apparent power is the total power that is taken. The active power is the actual one that will be used. Reactive is the wasted one. Awesome. So sometimes somebody says build solar for me, and then they ask the person the reason why some solar system fail in Ghana. Then they ask the person who is it there? Oh, blah mesa, me use fridge back and a fan me and I wait and say okay. Then based on that, now I check it. What is the wattage of fridge? What's the wattage of a fan? What's the wattage of a bulb? No, I can't even know. Now I can say okay, your system will use 10 kVA. 10 kVA. I'm using the word kVA. K means 1,000. K. Are you listening? K means what? 1,000. Now, and the V stands for what? Eh?
Voltage. Voltage.
I think V stands for what?
Why you had it?
Madam people don't cast on the picture. Who said when we're in school? Ma. Yo, mommy, I tell Alaji, I take why? Alaji back home, Mahama. The number, we fear about me anymore. Okay, what was I talking about? I asked you. I was about to tell you
a story.
So the station in school, and I found one bomb. Inti, I found teacher no extra W. One say W the way I say W. And I obviously said, what is this? I found a bomb. The back no one the teacher said W.